Good morning to one and all. Today's video is about the vegetable called Punarnava. This is said in Sanskrit as Punarnava, and it has a botanical name Bohevia diffusa. This is called Mokkaratai in Tamil and Tadudama in Malayalam. This is one of the important vegetable which have been used in centuries for cooking. The dish made from this is called Mokkaratai Kirai or a thoran, which is made from the leaves of this thoran, which is made from the leaf of this vegetable green. This is one of the green leafy vegetable used since ages for a lot of good benefits. First, I will explain you the procedure of to make it. Collect the fresh leaves, do the satay with coconut oil, mustard and jeera satay, and then add dry chili and sliced onions, tomato as well as garlic. Then add the leaves, make it satay for 5 to 10 minutes and add turmeric and salt to taste, and then serve hot. The benefits of this includes it is good for the urinary tract infection. It is a very good anti-inflammatory property. It takes out the swelling from all over the body. It relieves the swelling from the body. It is good for the urinary tract infection, as I mentioned. It is good source of iron, especially weekly twice if we can take it. People who are having hemoglobin deficiency, it's very good, and it is one of the anti-cancerous plant. It revives the hemoglobin level which is reduced due to the cancer. Also, it removes phlegm from the chest and it makes the body feel lighter. Thank you.